How to change email on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings, and here you can see the account. Click on the account and then you can see the personal information in the uh, and then you have to click on the email address. Due to you have to change your email address, and then what you have to do is here is my email address, and you have to change your another email address that you want to put it your as your personal primary email in the Instagram, and you can, like I do it, and click on the done. You have to type your email, and and you can type the email that you want to change, and then click done, and email confirmation code is sent to those email, and you have to confirm your email, and your email, when you confirm your email, your email is changed in this Instagram account. So but I don't do this. I don't want to do this due to I I want my previous email as my primary email. So you can do it, and you can do it by the email which is sent to your email that you select, and you have to go to your email and check it, and you have to fill this part of confirmation code, and then your email is confirmed, then the account is your email is changed. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends, and also leave a comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.